Cheers. And to many more. Oh, both wearing boots. Look at the height difference.
And the other one is the one I found. Right here. Right here, do it right. You want to hear it? How do you want it?
That's recording.
Hey guys, I'm doing a check-in. This is how it's looking. Got the tables, the balloon arch. There's a little baby. She's staying fresh. Raylene's helping out. Oh, Raylene, I blocked you out. Yay, this is Raylene. She's helping set up. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all how I've been doing this real quick. They look good and I put them together. I don't know if you can hear me with the fan and the music, but I just did 2 at a time. And then put them. I have my 4. Wrapping them around the phone. Pressing them down. And it's all ready. Hey guys, so the party is ready. Today, we are surprising my mother-in-law and father-in-law. My mother-in-law is going to come out right now. We're surprising them for their anniversary. I believe it's their 38th anniversary. And so we're getting all this together for them. My mother-in-law, my father-in-law have no clue.
Now we gotta go help people customize and save hundreds of every minstrel.
Shake the ball and pop it.
Yeah. Y así que pero me dejas un poquito para tomármela yo.
Oh, you do it.